Today I'm in Lakeland, Florida at my listing at 1919 Duff Road, and I'm so excited because we had stagers come in there and they're not finished yet, but I'm just going to look at the progress and see what has to be done so we can get new photos and sell this home. So let me tell you a little bit about this home, and I'll flip the camera around so you can see it. So it's on Duff Road. Right next door they're building a brand new home. That's always a good sign. And then look how cute this little swing set is. This is 1919 Duff Road. It's on an acre of land and it has a beautiful pool. This is a garage conversion right here, but this can be very easily converted back into a garage. If you could comment below and let me know if you would convert it back into a garage, or would you like that extra space for storage? It looks like a garage on the inside, so it's just a air-conditioned space now. Okay, so the stagers have been here. And they put the console table here. This is the dining room area. We're not going to do anything here. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And then here we are. We're just getting the furniture in for the family room. It's not done. And then here's something. Oh, I like this table. Love the chairs. So I love the breakfast room area. Kitchen looks really, really cute. And then this isn't done yet. They still need to put a console table, but it's getting there. Now the best part is the pool area. You have this covered space and it has pavers. And then check out this pool. And then it has the spa. These can be heated. Love the little fish. And then here's your backyard. It has a shed, and the property goes beyond where it's not cut. They just aren't cutting it all the way back there all the time. Look how pretty the property is. It goes all the way back by those trees. Duff Road is conveniently located on the north side of Lakeland. It's right by the Lakeland Mall. It's right by all the cool shops and the restaurants, and very close to the hospital as well. If you're interested in seeing 1919 Duff Road, contact Elizabeth Willers with EXP.